Four system issues that you might face when doing RAG at scale. This is different from ensuring the correctness of the documents, correctness the context or the final result. These are system issues that happen when you scale as any such workflow. The first one is that if you're a multi-tenant system and you have several ingestion pipelines from each of the tenants, one of the if not managed properly, one of the tenants which with more documents can just take over the pipeline and others will keep waiting. This diagram shows that. The other issue is access control. Usually, if you're doing RAG for a for a specific or an open database, you don't face the issue of access control. But in enterprises, each of the subset of the databases has access. Some users are allowed to access them, but others are not. So the access control pervades or percolates through the whole pipeline, all the way from ingestion, where the documents come in with access control information, to embeddings. Each chunk has ACL data, and the retrieval query also has the ACL from the user, which filters down to the during the search. You look up the vector embeddings corresponding to the document parsing is a independent issue, but it faces the same problem that you have with workloads. If you're integrating with AI services, there are rate limits, variable response time, and full-scale outages. And now your queuing, your analysis has to take into account all of these factors and have retry logic, for example, to make sure it still works in presence of them. There are some storage systems which are optimized for large data transfer, but there's some whose APIs slow down with higher page counts. Or if you are ingesting for a long time, then you might credential might expire. So you have to take on. Finally, the checkpoints. You must checkpoint your flows, especially the ingestion flows, for um, for any task that you do, because there might be intermediate crashes and you don't want to restart at the beginning. So picking it back from the last save state is really important for getting these workflows, making these workflows robust.